We not go free, we not go free. No. Of the greatest Nigerian people, greatest Nigerian people, greatest Nigerian women, greatest Nigerian youths, greatest Nigerian men. Are we lazy? Are we tired? What do we want? Our vote must. What do we want? Our vote must count. I said, do you know that you are the real distinguished Nigerians? Now will not be the honorable. Meet your neighbor, say honorable, good morning, welcome. Distinguished, welcome, distinguished, welcome. Distinguished, I greet you. All right, are you ready, Nigerians? Today is our final push. Listen and listen very well. Nigerians will not tolerate mischief. We will not tolerate mischief. We will not be held hostage by the National Assembly. The National Assembly must work for the Nigerian people. It will not be weaponized against us. Akpabio, the Senate President, and Tajuddin Abbas must do the right thing. What do the people want? Mandatory, real-time, electronic transmission of results. From here, this is the People's Parliament. We are going to pass our own bill. And waiting we pass, now waiting them us. Are you ready, Nigeria? If you support the motion, if you support the motion, if you feel go down where you go down low, so that they go see you well. Nigerians, distinguished Nigerians, are you ready? Yes. Honorable colleagues, are you ready? Yes. If you support the motion for the movement of mandatory real-time electronic transmission of results, say aye. If you are against it, say nay. If you are against it, can you hear me well? Yes. Nigerians, are you ready? Yes. This is the Nigerian People's Parliament. Yes. The voice of the people is the voice of God. Yes. Anybody that goes against the people is going against Nigeria. Yes. And we will resist you. Yes. If you support the motion for mandatory, real-time, electronic transmission of polling unit results, say aye. If you are against the motion, say nay. You see this on which they are among us. If you support the motion for mandatory real-time electronic transmission of results, say aye. If you are against it, say nay. The ayes! Electoral malpractice, say your time is off. Election rigging, your time is off. Vote buying, your time is off. Electoral rigging, your time is off. Our vote, our vote, our vote, our vote, my vote, your vote, every vote, every vote. Akpabio, 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 Tajuddin Abbas, Barau Jibril, Ben Kalu, Leti Kingibe, Simon Lalong, Saraki Dixon, Abaribe, Oshomole, Yaradua, Ekpe Young, all of you, pass the bill, pass the bill, pass the bill. We no go gree, yo, we no go gree. Akpabio, pass the bill. Let's go, we no go gree, yo, we no go gree. Akpabio, pass the bill. We no go gree, yo, we no go gree. Akpabio, pass the bill.
Alright, good morning, Mr. Peter. So this is day 5 of the protest, and it's still intensified. People are really coming out.
Yes, It must happen because this is a battle for the survival of our lives. Our lives will not count until our votes begin to count. There is no country in the world where votes of people they count, where leaders will act as irresponsibly and as reckless as Nigerian leaders. Nobody should be afraid of free and fair election. If you claim to have done well for the people, the best way to mobilize people is good governance. You have almost all governors, all senators, House of Reps, you have police, DSS, city girls, city thugs, township olosho, everything I will not get them. Why are you afraid of free and fair election? What exactly is going on? There is no country where votes of people count, where they will kill more than 100 people in Kwara and the president will be attending a fishing festival. Akpabio is a tool of Tinubu. Tinubu and the presidency have converted the National Assembly to an annex of the presidency. Akpabio don't turn to Tinubu PA. He's not representing anybody there. He's representing Tinubu and the APC. They must do the right thing. There is technology. 2027 our votes must count and we must prove that the power of the people is greater than the criminals in power. I am tired. I'm sick and tired. This bunch of invalids cannot continue to hold us hostage. We must drain the swamp and send people who have no business being in public office out of that place. The real Yahoo boys for Nigeria, now government house they did. Shame on Nigerian leaders for trying to steal the mandate of the people. Our vote must count and all of us must continue to insist. My name is Peter for Nigeria.